the last example here, we're asked to integrate from the square root of 2 to 3 to x cubed over x squared minus 1 dx. Now there's a couple ways that you can approach this one. I've said that about a few of the others here. You could do long division here and take 2x cubed and divide it by x squared minus 1. I'm actually going to do a u substitution though, because it's maybe a little different from your standard u substitutions. So in this case, I'm going to let u equal the denominator, the x squared minus 1. And then if I take the derivative of that, du is going to equal 2x dx. Now, one other thing I want to make note of, and you'll see where this comes into play here momentarily, is if u equals x squared minus 1, I could rewrite this as x squared equals u plus 1. Okay, so just rewriting that, I have that, and you'll see momentarily where that's going to come in handy. So let me go back up here. The numerator 2x cubed, I can write that as 2x times x squared over the denominator dx. So when I do my u substitution, u is going to equal the denominator. The 2x dx, that's my du, and then the x squared that's left over in the numerator, I'm going to replace that with u plus 1. I'm going to adjust my upper and lower bounds here in just a moment. But let me write out what I just said. So I've got u plus 1 over u du. Much simpler. If x is the square root of 2, the square root of 2 squared is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. If x is 3, 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So now that is adjusted. I'm going to rewrite this as two separate fractions. U over u is simply 1 plus 1 over u du. And now we can integrate. We're going to have u plus the natural log of the absolute value of u, and we're going to evaluate that from 1 to 8. So I have 8 plus the natural log of 8. Since 8 is positive, we can drop the absolute values, minus 1 plus the natural log of 1. Now the natural log of 1 is 0, so that's just a 0. So I have 8 plus the natural log of 8 minus 1, so that's 7 plus the natural log of 8. And by the way, before I close out the video, if you were going to do long division here, I will get you started with it. So taking x squared dividing into 2x cubed, you get 2x. So that's 2x cubed minus 2x. Go ahead and subtract, so I change my signs, and I have a 2x left. So I've got 2x plus 2x over x squared minus 1. So if you're going to work this one with the long division first, that's what you'd end up integrating. So you'd have 2x plus 2x over x squared minus 1. You'll end up with the same answer. I just wanted to show you could go about it two different ways.